Okay, good afternoon everyone. This is Naresh, Mechanical Department, St. Peter Engineering College. Okay, so today we can discuss of the topic. What is meaning of carpentry? Okay, so actually SBTED according to curriculum, totally basic workshop technology is a subject. Now here only 6 units are there. First unit is nothing but basic workshop tools. Okay. Second unit carpentry. Third unit fitting. Okay. Fourth unit is nothing but welding, and fifth unit is nothing but tinsmithing, and sixth unit is nothing but power tools. Okay. According to your first unit, basic workshop tools. Okay. Actually, what is the meaning of workshop? Workshop is nothing but where you work on the position. So that position is called workshop. Okay. So this location will be completed workshop. So in that year only is there fitting section trade is there, carpentry section trade is there, and tinsmithing section is there, power tools and welding is there. Okay. Each trade, what are the tools are in use of the performance of the operations. Okay. So in that according to first unit, basic workshop tools. Okay. So what are the tools are used in the workshop? So the tools list will become to the performance. Okay. So how to operate and how to handle the tools. Okay. So first basically you know the carpentry. Okay. So carpentry is nothing but making of woodworks. In that, what are the tools are used? Okay. In that, when you do the carpentry section, here only what are the tools are used. So the tools will be can give the list and performance. Okay. So next is nothing but fitting section. So fitting section we can use the fitting operation. We can joining of assembling of two metal pieces, or either metal pieces or other pieces. Okay, we can joining of the metal pieces. You can do the fitting section. Next is nothing but tinsmithing trade. Tinsmithing is nothing but here only you can do the sheet metal works. You can prepare the sheet metal works. Okay. So next is nothing but power tools. Power tools is nothing but what are the tools are used the woodwork purpose and iron metal work purpose. So we can do the drilling operation and cutting operation, and next boring, reaming. So that extra operations are we can use in the power tool trade. Next is nothing but welding trade. Welding section is nothing but we can joining of two metal pieces. Okay, when you joining of two metal pieces, so we can take the separate material and same materials. So you can joining of, you can forming of the welding electrode, and you can joining both male and female piece. Okay, so these tools are in using the first unit. Okay, according to your fitting carpentry trade, what are the tools are used? Okay. So here only you can consider carpentry trade. First here only operations, sequence of the operations. Every one first we can take the raw material, and we can take the decision which position we can do the correct operation and which position is not operating the procedure of the operations. Okay, now here only can consider we can take the raw material. In the carpentry section, you are only can taking up raw material. What is in the carpentry section? In using the raw materials, woodworks. Carpentry is nothing but making of woodworks. So this is nothing but taking the raw material. First you only can selecting the choosing of the raw material. Okay. So here only you can do the different grades of the raw materials are there. Okay. So low grade, high grade, and standard grade is there. Okay, low grade is nothing but when you do the performance operation purpose time, so you can do the planing and cutting operation. So that operation will be considered jig-jog operations. So that is not suitable of the, you can consider of the carpentry section of the low grade material. Okay, so better to you can take the normal standard grade. Standard grade is nothing but you can take the take wood. When you consider of the take wood, so you only can forming of the layer by layer. When you molding of the tree, so initial position, so the diameter will be some amount of the diameter is there. Actually, the diameter will be 10 mm. Okay, so after 1 week, the diameter will be increasing. Here only can forming of the tree position, starting position is at 10 mm. So after 1 week time, so the diameter will be increasing. So here only when you increasing of the diameter, so you can forming of the layer by layer, uniform position, uniform direction of the position. The layer will be forming the uniform position. So that consider here only can take the normal take wood. Okay. So when you do the cutting operation and planing operation, that purpose, so first you only can choose the raw material. So that raw material you can consider normal take wood. Okay. First you only can take the raw material and you can take the planning. Planning is nothing but, so which side is the suitable and what are the position we can consider of the, you can do the performance of the operations. Okay. So next you can raw material you can selection. Next is the marking operation. So just we can note down the sequence of the operation. First here is a choose of material and second one is a marking operation and third one is a cutting operation and fourth one is nothing but planing operation and fifth one is chiseling operation. Sixth one is wood rust piling operation. Okay. So first is nothing but here only can consider marking operation. So marking operation purpose, so different tools are there. Everyone you can know it the mark. Okay. So last section will be completed. What are the tools are used in the workshop? Okay. So the complete first unit is considered basic workshop tools. What are the tools are used, which different trades? So that too including of the first unit. Next you can nothing but second unit is there. The second unit is according to your curriculum, SBTU curriculum. The second unit is carpentry. Okay. So what is meaning of carpentry? Already in first unit we will discuss different trades. Each trade will be discussed within 2 or 3 minutes. So here only can briefly explain carpentry trade. Okay. Actually, what is meaning of carpentry? So carpentry is nothing but making of woodworks. You can prepare any woodworks. So in that here only can using the, so this complete trade is nothing but carpentry trade. So first here only can selection of the material. So here only we can material we can consider carpentry is nothing but here only can consider take wood, normal take wood. That is a simply you can process the, we can do the planing, cutting and chiseling operation purpose. So better to you can choose the tools are used standard level of the normal take wood. So now here only can select first unit is the basic workshop tools. What are the tools are used, which different trades? So that too including of the first unit. Next you can nothing but second unit is there. The second unit is according to your curriculum, SBTU curriculum. The second unit is carpentry. Okay. So what is meaning of carpentry? Already in first unit we will discuss different trades. Each trade will be discussed within 2 or 3 minutes. So here only can briefly explain carpentry trade. Okay. Actually, what is meaning of carpentry? So carpentry is nothing but making of woodworks. You can prepare any woodworks. So in that here only can using the, so this complete trade is nothing but carpentry trade. So first here only can selection of the material. So here only we can material we can consider carpentry is nothing but here only can consider take wood, normal take wood. That is a simply you can process the, we can do the planing, cutting and chiseling operation purpose. So better to you can choose the standard level of the normal take wood. Okay, now here only can selection of the material is there.